Louisiana state-to-state moving companies. Are you looking to hire professional movers in Louisiana? Look no further than One Auto Transport. We are experienced and dependable movers, offering comprehensive packing services along with local and long-distance moves. We understand that moving can be stressful, so let us do the hard work for you. We have been providing quality moving services all across the United States since our founding year. Our team of professional movers will take care of your move from start to finish, making sure that your items are safely and securely transported. We offer competitive pricing and can accommodate any size move within Louisiana or even out of state. Our efficient packing service includes using high-quality packing materials to ensure safe transit of your belongings. We also offer same-day and next-day moves for those who need a fast and reliable move. With our team of professional movers, you can rest assured that your items will be transported securely with no issues. We are committed to providing you with a safe and secure move that is both stress-free and cost-effective. With our long-distance moving services, you can trust us with your most prized possessions. One Auto Transport is equipped with professional movers that can help you navigate the complicated moving process. Call us at 1-888-230-9116